You can have your Windows computer set to the default light mode, or you can set it to dark mode and make it look like this. Here's how you do it. The easiest way to do this is to right-click any empty space on your desktop and then choose Personalize. Then, within the Personalization menu, you'll click Colors, and on the very top, you'll see an option to choose your mode. You can set it to light, you can set it to dark, which makes everything darker, similar to how dark modes work on smartphones, or you can set it to Custom. The Custom setting allows you to set the color mode individually for Windows mode and App mode. The Windows mode setting will set the color for your taskbar and system panels, while the App mode setting changes the light to your Windows and web browsers. Kind of a confusing naming there between the two categories, but if you play with those two for a minute, you'll quickly see the difference. And that's dark mode on Windows. Drop me a comment down below if this helped, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one, and I'll catch you all in the next video.